I just bought the freaking Hi Mommy Longlegs doll from the dark web!
There's a box. There's a box over there.
Wait, what?
Wait, it says open this now. That's Mommy Longlegs!
Oh my god!
What the? Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Hero's Reaction here reacting to nothing.
Bruh.
Nothing. What?
Bruh.
Nothing. Hey, dude, stains on my sock. The fudge. These are white socks. What the Anyways, guys, in today's video, I'm going to order the freaking haunted Mommy Longlegs doll. If you guys don't know what Mommy Longlegs is,
She's basically just a giant spider.
Bruh.
from the freaking video game Poppy Playtime. You guys know Poppy Playtime, you know, the game with Huggy Wuggy. And apparently Mommy Longlegs has a husband called Daddy Longlegs.
That's a nice name.
But like, I saw a video where like Daddy Longlegs got abused by Mommy Longlegs and he liked it.
What?
Dude,
I would like it too.
I want to get abused by freaking Mommy Longlegs.
Bro,
I'd be like,
what?
boo boo gaga mommy. Oh! So basically, Mommy Longlegs is just this giant spider who loves to eat kids. And I'm like, that's why I love her. I love her so much.
What?
What?
You like her because she eats kids?
No. Anyways, guys, in today's video, I'm gonna go on the dark web. I'm gonna order the haunted Mommy Longlegs doll.
And then cut a hole in her, bro.
What?
Let's just go on the dark web right now, guys. Like this video if you hate school, because, yeah, this kid Mattel, you definitely hate school, because you're freaking failing all your classes. Look at this kid's face when he does that.
A few moments later.
As you can see right here, guys, I am on the dark web, and...
Dark web? That's Amazon! It says Daniel!
Wait, what?
Amazon Prime is the dark web,
No,
bro.
it isn't!
I
Bruh.
bought so many illegal things off of Amazon, bro.
Like what?
No, bro, like Coke, you know what I mean?
What?
Yeah.
Like Coca-Cola?
No! As you guys can see right here, I am going to order the freaking haunted Mommy Longlegs doll off of the dark web. Anyways, it says 13.7 inch. What? Bro, this doll is 13.7 inches, bro? That's so big!
Whoa.
Bruh.
That's like a BBC. Bro, she's huge!
What?
Oh my gosh, she's so
Bro,
big!
what are you saying?
She's so huge!
Bruh.
Yeah.
Why does it have 1 star, bro? Who
Bruh.
rated it 1 star? Who rated this thing 1 star?
Me.
$23.88? Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god, so much money.
That's like a McDouble.
Bruh.
100
Mattel,
chicken
please!
nuggets. What do you want?
Please give me $23.
Me?
Yes, please.
What?
Please, Daddy.
You want?
Daddy, please.
What are you doing? Get
I'll
off
leave-
my shoe. Get away from me. Get. Well, you're poor. You're homeless. You live off of mom.
You're right. I do live off of Mom.
Let's use mom's credit card information.
No.
Yes, let's use it right now.
No, stop. Oh my
Bruh.
god.
Add to cart.
Mom's gonna whip us again.
Alright, so right when I buy this, we're gonna run all the way over there. So
No,
she can
I'm
just-
gonna tell her.
You tattletale! You tattletale snitch, bro! Why don't you
Bruh.
want the freaking 13.7 inch BBC, bro?
I don't want that. What is it even for?
Dude, we're gonna cut her open, bro, and see what's inside.
What?
I already said this.
You are sus. Nah, that's out of pocket. What?
Well, guess what, bro? Proceed to check out right now, bro.
Bruh.
Proceed to check out.
No.
Yes, sir,
I'm
bro.
gonna tell mom.
Wait, hold on. Estimated delivery April 14th to April 26th?
What are you doing?
Bruh.
Why'd you throw your phone?
No. What the?
What?
My screen!
Bruh.
That's what you get. Wait, how'd you afford that phone?
Oh my god!
How do you manage to do that?
Bruh.
Oh my god.
Let me just place my order right now. Wait, it says if I pay an extra $100,
I'll get it today.
Wait, no.
Bruh.
that's a lot of money. But I'm not using my credit card. Look,
You don't have the money.
Place my order.
God.
Order placed.
Bruh.
I just bought the freaking Hi Mommy Longlegs doll from the dark web.
Oh my god, from Amazon.
I'll
Bruh.
stick my 13.7 inch Mommy Longlegs plush doll down your throat.
2 hours later.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, guys. Huggy Wuggy literally came to our house. Wait, what if he's dropping off the mommy long legs doll, bro? Wait, is he still there? Wait. Shh. Dude, I'm scared he's gonna like want to eat us or something.
But I have this Glock.
But I'm like, I have the worst aim ever.
God.
Get out of the way!
What are you talking about?
I'm talking to the plant.
Oh, he's spanking me.
Shh.
What was that?
Alright, well, what if Huggy Wuggy's just chilling there? Like in one of the chairs?
Nah, I think it's okay.
No.
What?
Wait, there's a box. There's a box over there.
Wait, what?
I don't know what it says, bro. What does it say? It's inside of the grill. What's it doing inside the grill, bro? It can't be. It can't be grilled. It's trying to. It can't be in the grill, bro.
That's only meant for burgers and hot dogs.
Not boxes. Wait, what if it like explodes?
Nah, I think it's okay.
No.
What?
You have to be very careful.
That's not careful at all. What are you doing?
I saw something pink. I saw something pink inside of that. Wait, it says open this now. Bro, is this safe? Should I actually open this or not?
Yes.
Nah, bro. I don't know.
He's telling us to.
I don't know. Why did I bring it? Why did I just leave my gun? Why would I leave my Glock, bro? I should have left my Glock.
Bro, just open it. Where are you going? What was that?
Should we open this or not?
Yes.
I'm scared. I don't want to open it, bro. No, don't open it.
What are you talking about? It says open this now.
Oh, you want to be open, don't you, boss?
Yes, you do.
That's Mommy Long Legs.
Oh my god.
Made in China.
It's in a...
Of course it's made in China. Don't try anything funny.
What if it's alive?
Oh no.
No, just give me some.
Wait. Is it alive or not? Oh, wait, it's alive! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! But don't throw it! I don't want this! What are you doing? Stop! I'm gonna shoot you! I'm gonna shoot you right now! What the? Oh my gosh!
Bro, you're tapping, bro. Stop.
Wait, oh my gosh! Stop! Mommy has her legs spread apart. Don't touch. Stop doing rolls. No, stop! Alright, well, I guess we get to. Let's open her up. Let's open her up, Mattel.
What?
Alright, so it's not alive. That's good. Stop! Don't kiss it! No! Just stop! I'll shoot you right now!
A few moments later.
You try any funny shit?
And I shoot your brains out.
Yes.
Whoa! No!
What was that?
Guys, we're gonna watch a quick video about Mommy Longlegs called Mommy Longlegs' Sad Origin Story, where apparently she used to be like a little kid. I didn't know you used to be a little girl. She's like my daughter now. What?
Oh.
Anyways, guys, like this video if you hate school. Subscribe to my channel for free Doritos and a spot and juice site. Let's just watch this real quick.
Bro, what are you doing?
Movie's going on, bro. Oh my gosh, Mommy Lawless, it's you, bro!
We used to dolls, but whatever.
Bedtime story? Playville City High School?
Okay, Molly. You ready for your first day of
Wait,
high
your
school?
name is Molly? Why is that girl so short, bro? She's like a midget. You can't even see her
Hey!
face. Look at it.
That's not nice.
Look at her.
Remember, get Poppy.
Playtime?
I love Poppy.
I'm too old for dolls. I just want to make sure you have some company.
Wait, that's her mom?
That's her mom.
Okay? For me.
Bro, what?
Fine.
How is she gonna turn into this freaking freak?
No, she's gonna fall. Oh my gosh!
Why does he have a straight face?
Look, she's falling.
What's happening?
Bro, she's turning to Mommy Longlegs. What?
She's kind of cute. Look at their facial expressions.
They don't even care that much.
You started this. You don't get to run away.
Oh no, she's gonna get eaten. Cheryl, that's Cheryl.
Calm down and let my girlfriend go, okay? We can get you help. I think.
Worth helping.
It's over for her, bro. She's
She's like an action figure.
She's gonna die, Mattel.
Okay. I don't care.
What? They're gonna kill her.
No!
They're killing freaking mommy longlegs, bro. They're gonna try and kill
But she's
her.
not here.
I'm sorry. Bro, what's the?
What?
She's screaming like, oh.
Why is she still smiling?
No, she looks creepy, bro. Look at her. She's still screaming.
She's laughing.
Bro, this is creepy. I don't want to watch anymore. I'm getting scared. I can't believe you're about to kill Cheryl, bro.
Cheryl deserved it.
She's not alive. I didn't know she was that evil, bro. That video was crazy. Luckily, she's not alive, so we don't have anything to worry about, but... Oh my god!
I had bad aim.
So let's go over there and just cut her up. She's
Okay.
gonna kill us. Or something. Like, look at her long legs, bro. Ew, I want to. It's finally time to cut her open. Like this video, guys. She's evil.
I don't think she's that evil.
Oh, I missed.
Stop her!
Oh, what's it? It's time. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
She's alive!
She's alive! Oh!
Oh!
Dude, is that her guts?
What? That's disgusting!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh, what is that?
Dude's her gut.
Ah!
Dude, she's screaming! She's screaming!
Shut up!
It's time to cut her open. She has to die. Dude, there's more! Look at it! I wonder what's deeper inside, bro. What?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Ew, what are you doing?
What is that? Oh, what the?
What?
She ate someone's head!
She killed someone?
Oh my god, she's screaming still?
How is she still alive?
We have to attack the heart, bro. She ate this banana!
She ate a full banana. She didn't even chew.
Oh!
Do you know what that means? What?
No. Oh, what is that?
10 seconds later.
What is that?
Wait, what? Oh my god!
Oh my god!
What's up? He's mad at us for killing the doll. Take him! Why is he getting towards us? Here, take this.
What's he doing?
Oh my god!
Are you okay?
What the? That caused an explosion! A banana explosion! A big BBC explosion! He's gone. If you guys enjoyed that video, please subscribe and like. See you later. Peace. Goodbye.
What? I didn't stop!
Mommy long legs.